charged like a battery, electricity. Can't get enough, feel the wind blowing full speed. Come on and follow me. I'm doing what I want when I want to. I'm doing what I want when I want. Live free, gonna take you to the top. Live free, oh the party never stops.
Hello guys, so today I'm at Village Market and I've come here for bowling. I'm with my friends. They're currently inside, but I just want to give you a small tour of the bowling alley here at the Village Market. So I have my shoes ready. So the first process, but this is just a glance of what the bowling alley is all about. But this is where you start. You take your shoes off and then you're given your shoes, then you continue inside. Yeah, so this is the bowling alley and my friends are right here. So this is the crew. Freddy, say hi. Edu, say hi to the fans.
Hi fans, how are you guys?
How you people? Cynthia, Liz, are you ready for bowling? Guys, say hi. So we are currently at the bowling alley and the games have started. So some of my friends have already taken their shots and Liz is the one going right now. Oh! And she did it. So it's my turn. So this is where the bowling is. One remaining. We are currently halfway and the scores I'm position 3. Edu is currently leading. Edu, how do you feel to be on top?
I mean, I thought I had competition, but
Okay, 5 more rounds. 5 more rounds. winner. You fella. Hey, ini 10 bana. Guys, that who is the winner? That who is the
Nobody's the winner.
That was the last round. Let's see who is the winner. Haionyeshi bwana.
Ngoja sana. Wewe salimika.
Haionyeshi bwana. Saba ifunguliwe. Freddy, how was the game?
Hey, the game was tough. I was the winner.
Cynthia.
Angie was the second best.
Second best. Yeah? Who, me? No, I didn't trick the game. I was the winner by default. Because I'm good at this. People are feeling jealous around here because I won. It was a nice game. So guys, I want to show you around the place and what they offer for like food and drinks. So this is a drinks area. It's a fully stocked bar and soft drinks. These are sitting areas where you can come and just with your friends and just eat some food. There's a live DJ. Yo, DJ, say hi. Good. Thanks. Yeah, so people are being entertained with some music. My friends are here and we're just about to leave. But the champion, it's me. Yeah, and this is the bowling alley. It's a really big space where you can come with your friends and just enjoy a game of bowling, and we call it a night. Yep. So guys, it's time to leave. So we're just getting our shoes and then we'll be on our way home. It was really fun. You should come and try it. So see you on the next video.